Welcome guys, today I am with OPPO Reno 7 and I will show you how camera pro mode looks in this smartphone. So to enter camera pro mode, you have to open the camera application and select more modes. Next you have to select this option. Right now I can recommend you to click on this information icon where you will find description of every feature that we can adjust, basically of every parameters like ISO, shutter speed, exposure compensation, focus and white balance. And right now I'm going to show you how you can adjust them. So let's start. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.